We've talked about the 4 steps of learning, and I would like to emphasize again that from knowing what I know from conscious competence to subconscious competence requires training, repetition. And one tool in this respect is repeat thoughts that are positive. Remember, the negative thought patterns that you have acquired have been there or are there because you have made repetitive experiences that you are not lovable, that you are not worth it, that you have not deserved it, whatever. This thought pattern came about through repetition from the people you were surrounded by, your parents, your teachers, your siblings, your whatever. Now, we want to counteract this negative thought patterns. And this we can do by thinking and speaking out loud affirmations. Affirmations are short, positive statements like, I feel good, I like myself. I feel good, I like myself. I feel good, I like myself. God. I feel good, I like myself. Like that. I am a winner. I like myself and I feel good. I am a winner. I like myself and I feel good. And you want to repeat this again and again and again. Why? Because you want to replace the negative thought patterns by positive thought patterns. And now I do a little bit of math. At first, I'm going to frighten you because you need to repeat those affirmations at least 10,000 times before it starts doing something to you. And now you may say, well, I'm never going to make it. And now let's do a little bit of math. I feel good, I like myself, takes 2 seconds. Well, that's 30 times per minute, right? And that's 30 multiplied by 60. We are at 1800 per hour, right? So if we do it 6 hours, we are there. We hit the goal. And from there on, it begins to somehow sink down into our subconscious. Let me explain it. Our negative thought pattern comes out of our subconscious mind. It's been ingrained there and working on default, automatically, on autopilot. And now we want to replace this negative thought habit by positive thought habits. And we need to at least outnumber the times that we have heard that we are not worthy, that we have not deserved anything or something, by I feel good, I like myself. And I tell you something, a secret. I've done these repetitions probably 1 million times because, I can be stubborn and disciplined and do stuff again and again and again. And that's the secret. Repetition is key. And this applies not only for affirmations, this applies for any real skill. Remember Bruce Lee? he revolutionized Kung Fu. And he said, I'm fearful of somebody who's trained one technique 10,000 times. I'm much more fearful of this person as compared to somebody who has trained 10 techniques 1,000 times each. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Wulff, a leading expert in mindset transformation and personal success. By joining me, you will unlock proven strategies to elevate your mindset and transform your life. Explore more in the video description.